Hello guys, this is the STi-tuned Subaru BRZ and it is almost perfect. Despite lingering hopes that the global pandemic will ease up so that the Tokyo Auto Show can come up, it didn't happen that way. It got cancelled for the first time in 67 years. But that did not stop manufacturers from preparing their cars indoors. We've seen some crazy builds for this year's show, including the Honda's first attempt at an electric drag car and a mobile office van by Nissan. But a few cars built hype quite as much as the upcoming Subaru BRZ and then the Toyota GR86. Subaru's plans to bring an STi-tuned version to the show were dashed this year, but you know what? At least we still get a glimpse of the car in a video posted by STi, for which we are super grateful. Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go. It is really important for you guys to know that this isn't an official BRZ STI, but instead a BRZ tuned by STi. Kindly establish the difference and so we can continue. From outside, the fettled BRZ definitely looks the part thanks to a bunch of muscular body parts and including an aggressive front splitter and a side sill extension. Let's go back to the rear, and at the rear, this show car features a mean looking carbon fiber swan neck wing that looks like it will add a ton of downforce on the track. Naturally, this BRZ rolls on a set of bronze STi wheels that looks great against the black and white backdrop of the vehicle and the rest of the vehicle also. Under the hood, unfortunately, not much changes have been made, and for more information on the powertrains of these two vehicles, kindly use the link on my top left corner to access them. They basically share the same underpinnings and the same powertrain in this case, so you can use that. But let's come back to what we are looking at, and the STi does add an interesting feature, which is a cutback exhaust system with polished exhaust tips. As you're looking at, coming out of each side of the bumper, doesn't it look good? Underneath the car, an STi strut brace adds rigidity at the rear, and it's a bit disappointing that STi didn't include any significant chassis or engine mods, but we expect and are sure that we will see these in the not so long a future to come. Okay, so these are basically what we have spotted. So you take a look at the process. The 2022 BRZ actually goes on sale stateside in the fall of 2021 and promises to be an even fun vehicle to drive, as you've seen in earlier footages and all documentaries. And you know, it promises to be more fun than the first generation car thanks to a refined chassis and more powerful from a 2.4 cylinder boxer engine. Okay, so basically this is what this STi is about. It's already looking great, and I know these customizations are going to come all the way and make it drive more fun and do lots of fun sports vehicles. Okay, so if you really are interested in content like this and you enjoy them, kindly slap a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on notification bell to be alerted the very moment updates come up. And we're going to update this BRZ to the time that there is nothing else to be done on it until later generations come in. Okay, so thank you guys, have a lovely day, and bye bye.